welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to do today is a Dollar Tree fall DIY. I want to make a fall like wreath using those splatter screens from the Dollar Tree. I think this is going to be so cute. So let me show you what you'll need. Now you will see these splatter screens I think in Wednesday's haul, but I was able to actually find the ones with the handles. So you'll need 3 of them with the handles. If you can't find the ones with the handles, then you can use the ones for the knobs that I hauled earlier, but these are the ones with the handles. If you're in the Pensacola area, I found these on University and 9 Mile. They had tons of the ones with the handles and no handles, okay? Then you're going to need some flowers from the Dollar Tree, whatever you want. I thought these really pretty sunflowers would be pretty. And then these dahlia, it says dahlia bush. I think that will be gorgeous. And then these crocuses. I think all those colors will just look so vibrant for fall. So you'll need whatever kind of flowers you want. And then you're going to need the Krylon Glitter Blast Rose Gold Spray Paint. That's what I spray painted my splatter screens with. And I spray painted them all the same color. It's really dark here today and rainy. So and I have some artificial light, and it's still not the good light that I normally have. But you can see this, it's just really pretty. So that's what I did. So you'll need, if you want to make it this color, this spray paint. And I'll link everything in the description box below that I can find, like my glue gun, the link to Top Cashback where you can make money just shopping online, and anything that isn't Dollar Tree items, okay? Then we're going to need some floral wire from the Dollar Tree, okay? And then, now my Dollar Tree does not have any fall ribbon out yet. I haven't been there in about a day. So I hope to go soon and check out and see if I can find some. So I'll be using this from the Dollar Tree. I have some of this, and it's just 3 yards of the Grosgain ribbon. And then I'm going to be incorporating this. It was $1 that I've had in my stash for quite a while that I picked up at Old Time Pottery. But I love it. Then you'll need some chenille ties and maybe some of Dollar Tree's little acorns. And I might use this. Now I did find this year. It's their burlap ribbon. Okay, it's the dark chocolate brown. Okay, you'll need a glue gun. I'm using my Klein pliers, and I will link some in the description box below. They really are great for cutting things. And then I'm going to be using my Dollar Tree little finger protectors, or you can use the little spatulas like I do from time to time. And I might, instead of using this, I might use the Dollar Tree rope. So it's just hard to tell what we'll do. So let me get everything situated, and we will get started with this adorable Dollar Tree fall DIY splatter screen wreath. Okay, so what you want to do is when you want to cut off of 2 of these splatter screens, you want to cut the handle off, and they cut off really easily with those Klein pliers. You can just bend it and snip it, okay? And it will leave these little areas right like that on both of them, okay? So now if you want to make it so it doesn't hang, it actually sets, you can put those on the bottom and bend them backwards, and then this will set up, but I didn't want to do that. So all you have to do, I'm going to put my little areas up near the top because I think they'll be concealed much better. And then you just lay the one that has the handle down first, and then you just put these over it until it makes the shape of a pumpkin that you want. You can have this down more. You can make it as wide, as big as you want. I think I'm going to do mine like that, okay? So what you need to do is get your glue, your hot glue. I would use E6000 once again, but I'm not going to. What you want to do is just put some right down through here on the side. It's going to be hidden too much came out. It's going to be gumpy. And then just put some right through here on the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to press. This is so simple to do, okay? Then we're going to do the exact same thing right here. Put some right down through here. Try not to get an excessive amount, but I would, like I said, I would put the E6000 in combination with the hot glue, and I'm going to put a little bit right through here on this one. And just get it like you want it and press down, okay? And you see, right now we already have a pumpkin. It's that simple. I love this little DIY. You could do a lot of different things when you get to this point. I thought about maybe taking some of this from the Dollar Tree, the mesh tubing. It would really be pretty. And maybe putting it inside this rim to give it a little more dimension. That would be pretty. You could do that. Just put it inside there. You could put it on top of it, but I don't think I'm going to. So what I want to do next is start putting my flowers on here. I just want a really simple kind of organic look to this, okay? So I'm going to take my Klein pliers and just start looking how I want to have this. But I think these colors are so pretty for fall. Okay, that's looking good. Now what I'm going to do is take my floral wire from the Dollar Tree. You could hot glue these flowers on here if you wanted. You can either take this and place them on here with the floral wire, but I tell you what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to hot glue it. Because I love to hot glue. Alright, I'm going to cut it off relatively short. Cut everything off. My bow's going to hide a lot of this. And we will just start building this, okay? So I'm going to take some hot glue, put it right down through here, and lay it right in the center like that. I'm going to get my little finger protectors out. This is a great way to keep them. Okay, put that one there. Then I'm going to take this one, put it right here like that. Like I said, if you don't want to hot glue, you don't have to. You can definitely do with the wire. Or you could hot glue it first and then go back with the wire. Either way would work nicely, okay? Then I'm going to cut this one super short, but not so short that it won't hold it. Put a generous amount of glue on there and stick that right there. Now I probably will take that one and put wire around that, okay? That's what we're getting so far, but we're not finished. Because I want it to sort of come down through here. Let's see, now do I want to go, let's see, I could go in with that one there. Yeah, I think I will. So I'm going to take this one, leave that one relatively long, stick it right up under there and press it down. okay? And then cut another one of these. Put some more glue on here. Stick this one right under there. That's what we're getting so far. I think that's really cute. Then I want to get some of these and cut them like they're just peeking out from under there. Like that. And I think this one has more of that orange on the tip, so I'm going to use this one. Stick that like that. Okay. Now you can keep going with the flowers if you want and just put as many on there as you want. I think I'll maybe take one more of these. Cut it off and stick it like that. Okay, and that's what we're getting. I think that's really pretty, okay? So now what I want to do, I can either take this rope, and you really wouldn't have to put anything on here if you don't want to. I can either take the rope and start going around this, or I could take this and go around it, and I think I want to do the rope. I think the rope would give it such a pretty effect. And you really probably should do this before you put all your flowers on there so you don't mash them. But we'll just do it this way and it'll be fine. Then we'll just keep winding this rope around. Then I'm going to go, I think, skip. So it will I'll have a way to hang it. You could either leave it like this and go ahead and hang it like that, which I might do. Then I'm going to glue it right up here at the top. Press it down and bring it right down through here. I'm going to glue it right here at the top. Leave a little gap. Then glue it to the back of this rope. Then I'll cut my rope off. Glue it really good on that end to keep it from fraying. Okay, and this is what we have so far. I think that's really cute. I said I'm going to take this. You could make a funky bow if you wanted up there like I usually make, but I don't think I'm going to do that this time. Okay, I just took some of this ribbon, cut a good bit off because I wasn't sure how much I wanted, and I'm going to put it behind this. I know I'm not going to use that much. And just basically like you're tying your shoes. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to make a nice big bow. And just pull it. Then fluff it back out. Then we're just going to chevron the ends. Okay. And that's what we have so far. I think it's really cute. That's just a very natural bow. Like I said, you could make the funky bow. I have a bow maker. I could use that. There's just so many different ways you could do it, but I wanted it to look just very natural. Now, what you could do if you wanted is you could take some of this and put it in there, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I've changed my mind on that. Now, let's see if we want to use any of these little pumpkin picks from the Dollar Tree. These are left over from last year. Now, Dollar Tree sold these last year. These didn't come from there. I got them at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99, but I got them, I think it was 40 or 50% off last year. But like I said, Dollar Tree did sell them, but I haven't seen these this year. I don't know if I want to use these again this year or not. You could just put them in here for a little bit of kind of like pizzazz in places. Okay guys, here it is in my utility room. I really love how this turned out. I think it is so sweet. And I love those little, I ended up putting some of those Dollar Tree pumpkins in there and some of those little table scatter. Like I said, Dollar Tree had this exact color last year. I just haven't seen it so far this year, but you can bet I'm going to pick some up. But I think that adds and pulls into that bow. But I just did a very casual and relaxed bow because I just wanted it to look so farmhouse and just, like I said, relaxed for fall. But I love it sitting here with all my other little DIYs that I've done. This isn't where it's going, but as you know, I'm not decorating for fall just yet. And we're almost through in here in the utility room working. So I thought I would just sort of stage it right here until I actually start decorating for fall. But I'll give you a good close-up look. I left that open so I could hang it up. I just think, and that paint, I love that color. It just twinkles. I just love all these vibrant, beautiful fall colors. So until next time, bye guys.